Welcome back to Carcano Gaming. We are doing a Rampage rush at the mall in the Lawnmower. And I'm about to destroy as many as possible. Oh. Well. This is gonna be quick. Come on, mower. If I can get traction, Jesus. That's the hardest part. Getting this mower to go up the damn hill. There's bronze. It is so slippery. Come on. Come on, mower. Eat shit. I got the differential locked too, and it's still just sliding everywhere. There's silver. Come on, mower. Oh, the shitter done ate shit. And so did the guy that I just twisted around my wheels. And there's gold. Not bad considering I can barely keep traction. Oh, that hurt. I'm critical, but I don't think it's gonna matter. Come on. If I could only keep traction. Sliding everywhere and still got 25 wrecks. Nice.